Hello everyone, I'm a fool. This morning I bought 42 pounds and 5 ounces of beef bone. 10 yuan per pound. It cost 425 yuan in total. Today I'm going to make a charcoal grill. Rinse the plate with running water. Be a beef bro. 10 yuan per pound. Look, there's no meat on these three. It can only grow to over 300 grams per pound before it's finished. Beef bro, water treatment. Use this to replace it. Look, this fish cake is slowly freezing. It can run through water. Ha ha ha. But the quality is too slow. Don't be so big. They all gathered. Eat another piece. Oh? The cow went over. The air didn't burst out of this one. It's wrapped inside. After it's cooked. This won't. Your mouth won't dig it out. This is rinsed well. Spelunk. Add some seasoning. Garlic chili sauce. Sweet and spicy sauce. Oyster sauce. Soy sauce and sugar. That's all. Heat the wok and add oil. The oil is hot. Ginger, onion, and scallions. Cinnamon and bay leaf. Star anise and astragalus. This side is empty. This shrimp is taken out. Mix the seasoning well. The temperature is rising. Today, I'm using this potato to eat the grilled beef. Next time, put it on and run it through water. Started grilling some. One is enough. It's almost done grilling. Put this seasoning on and brush it on. Although the last few are not spicy. Garlic, green and red chili peppers. Put in a small crayfish. One fell. There's another row. Are the rest cooked? See if they can be boiled. He said he'd guess. The middling got it. Do it yourself. soft. It's Dufuna. Ha ha ha. Making one is at least about 7 to 8 yuan a jin. Inside is ha ha ha. Rinsed in water for many months. Now it seems, in this, the profit is quite big. Practice eating it again. Jump. By the bone marrow. And there might be a lot of that. Can you get a few of the shrimp here? Haha, Changmen, this water machine is almost news. I'll get it for you right away. It's not enough. These days, it's clean. Don't go back. Why is it always this clean? Ha 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 ha. Then you see, this is not okay. No, this is not needed. You must be okay. The story of Tremella is in production. There's nothing underneath. There isn't any. Ha 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 ha. So, this is stinky. If they don't come out, it's still delicious with a little spice. This garlic sauce feels like it's missing a little bit. Selling it will not be very clear about this enthusiastic, patient, soft shoe. Ordinary fish roe becomes sweet potato kanji and is also quite dry. The plane is about to start. Come on, such a great talent, let's have some fun. You've been good this month, or something. Look, 1 gold medal and 2 fried chickens. Hee 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 hee. My grandpa can't eat this either. Chicken. Also, clear the middle part a bit more. Ice meal, no meat. Hee 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 hee. There's still meat, and there's no meat yet. I made it. I made one. I made so much. You are very hot. This beef is going to be especially delicious. Ha 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 ha. Finished eating it all at noon. That's all for today's video. Like my video and follow me. Thank you, bye 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 bye.